Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do sound test of Amazon Echo Dot Gen 4 versus Bose portable sound speaker. So let's get right into it. So guys, I've connected Echo Dot with the Bluetooth, and now let's begin the sound test.
Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So yeah, as you guys can hear, the bass drop was not very cool. Now let's try it with Bose portable sound speaker. So guys, now I've connected the Bluetooth with Bose portable sound speaker, and I'll play the same song and let's see.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So yeah guys, the bass drop was way more cool and clear on Bose portable sound speaker. This has a really good sound quality, and yeah, you can carry it anywhere. Like, yeah, it has 12-hour battery life, you can carry it anywhere, but this one, it should be connected. And yeah, this also has built-in voice assistant like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. But yeah, both have assistants. This one you can carry anywhere. Yeah, it's a good quality, very nice sound. So yeah, in this test, Bose takes the win. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, like, share and subscribe. And yeah, I've also made a review on Bose portable sound speaker. I have done sound testing and unboxing. You can go watch that video also. Thank you for watching guys.